When I first started my decluttering journey about 7 years ago, I was very eager to get my home quickly organized. The first thing I did was head to the container store to buy beautiful containers, Home Goods for stylish bins, and Amazon for drawer dividers on a budget. Seemed like a logical first step. When I got all this stuff home, I was eager to begin organizing, and then this happened. Not only did some of the stuff not fit, measure before you buy, by the way, but somehow my dressers were still overflowing, the closet door wouldn't close, and my kitchen drawers failed to wow me with its pile of stuff. My home now just resembled organized junk drawers. It was definitely not looking picture perfect.
I felt like a failure.
The problem was that I just had way too much stuff. Too many of us, especially if you're just starting out, try to organize our clutter. And that just does not work. It's like putting a band-aid on a problem. It might look nice for a day, but it will never be sustainable. The minute you go to pull out a pair of jeans, the entire drawer will resemble chaos. It's not that you suck at organizing. It's that you just have too much stuff. As a professional organizer, many of my clients tell me,
Margo, it's not that I have too much stuff. I just need to organize it better.
Organizing clutter is a waste of your time. A professional organizer always declutters first, then declutters again, and maybe even a third time, and then moves on to organization once we are down to the necessities. So stop organizing your clutter. If you're getting value from this video, contribute to my coffee addiction by smashing that like button. Moving on to mistake number 2. One of the best ways to feel unaccomplished is to jump from room to room, decluttering random things. You do some work, but you never really see results. Sporadic decluttering does not work. We all want our entire home to be clutter-free. Doing a little here and a little over there is not going to get you the end goal. We need to treat decluttering just like cleaning. When you are vacuuming your living room rug, you are never like,
I'm just gonna do this little corner over here and I'll do the rest later.
No, you vacuum the whole rug. Complete a project from start to finish. You begin decluttering a drawer in the kitchen, finish it. You want to declutter your dresser, even if you're going one drawer at a time, finish it. You started decluttering your pantry, don't move on to your bakeware until you have finished. I know it's easy to get distracted. I sympathize with some of you who have ADHD, but I can tell you that I work with many clients who get distracted easily, and together we come up with a simple game plan, and with accountability and support, we are able to stay on track. What really helps if you do have ADHD is to chunk declutter, and that is sprints, not marathons. Mistake number 3 is thinking that decluttering is like a once and done deal. A pro organizer has decluttering on their to-do list on a weekly basis. Decluttering our entire home is a huge undertaking in the beginning. Once we declutter, the truth is, unless you build consistent decluttering habits into your weekly, monthly, and yearly routines, the clutter will build back up again. There is no such thing as completely clutter-free. To achieve this, you and your family would basically have to move out of your home. A certain amount of clutter making its way back into your home is normal. For example, I have a 9-year-old daughter and she has a ton of paperwork that she brings back from school and it drives me nuts. I have designated a bin for her to put her paperwork. Our rule is once the bin gets full, we declutter. And sometimes this is once a month, and sometimes it's more frequently. Decluttering and cleaning go hand in hand. It's like saying, I will only wash my dishes once a year, or wipe counters, or wash my floors. Decluttering happens daily. I employ the spot and toss technique in my home. I recently ran out of my favorite colors in my eyeshadow palette. Now, sure, it's tempting to keep it because maybe I will use some of those other colors in desperation. But the truth is, I never would. So instead, I tossed it and went to the store to get a new one that I like. Maybe somebody gifted you some items for the holidays. The coworker that doesn't really know you for Secret Santa, your neighbor, heck, maybe even a friend. Don't hold on to the item. Declutter it right away if you know that you don't want or need it. Declutter your closet, for example, seasonally. When a season ends, evaluate what you wore and didn't wear. If you don't want to wear some of the items, you won't want to wear it the next year. Bag them up and take it to donation. The point is that if you want to maintain a clutter-free home, decluttering has to be a part of your routine. Now, all of this doesn't actually matter unless you have a foundational formula for how to go about decluttering your home. And for that, you can check out this video next. If you enjoyed my video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of my weekly videos. As always, good luck on your decluttering journey, and remember to be good to yourself.